guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we're going to be installing this smart Wi-Fi garage door opener. So what that is it's going to add some smart features to my garage door that doesn't already have it. So the newer garage door openers contain some Wi-Fi features that you can basically sync up to your phone and open and close your garage door anywhere you go. This essentially adds that feature to a existing garage door opener that doesn't have any smart features. I purchased this through eBay. It costs about $30 Canadian shipped to my house. It's made by a company called Moes. This also is, it works with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, so you can sync it up with those devices as well. So you could basically say, hey Alexa, open my garage door, and it'll open your garage door, which is cool if you already have your house set up for smart features. I don't currently have my house set up for smart features. This is the first cool smart thing that I'm going to be adding to my garage, which is going to be very beneficial. Now I don't need garage door remotes to be able to open my garage door. So let's get on with the installation. I'll show you guys what's in the kit. Alright guys, so this is what's inside this box here. The garage door opener, of course, the Wi-Fi one, a bag of accessories that you will need to install this, the instructions, and a compatibility list. So you can check this list to make sure that your garage door opener is on here so that it is compatible with this. But we're going to follow this instruction manual and go through the steps to verify that this is going to work for my garage door before we get on with the full installation. So let's go ahead and start opening this up, and we'll go through the steps together. All right, guys, so here's the instructions. It's very straightforward. It's just a three-step process. The first step is just to verify that this controller works with your garage door opener. Then it's to set up the app to the controller. Then it's to, finalize everything by installing it all and sticking everything in place. What we're going to be doing is step 1 and 3 because you guys could go through the steps yourself to set it up on your phone and your app. We'll just do the test as well as full installation here onto my garage door, of course. So let's get to work and start with step 1. All right, guys, for the first test, you're just gonna need this whole device. There's 2 wires. You basically hook these 2 up onto your garage door opener and then plug that in. And then you're going to use this screwdriver or a small pin or something or a paper clip and poke this little hole here. It will manually open and close the garage door. Once it opens and closes your garage door, you'll know that this device works for your garage door. So I'll show you on my garage door opener how to hook it up. All right, so here's my garage door opener. So essentially we're going to be using the 2 left spots here, the red and the white spot right next to it. So we're just gonna hook those 2 wires up onto it. I guess red to the red spot, black to the white spot. This would link to the wall switch, which is what the controller is controlling the wall switch. So we're gonna quickly hook that up and then plug it in right up there. And then we could test if this thing actually is compatible with my garage door opener. Alright, so let's have this dangling up top here. We will undo this in a bit and just plug it in. Alright, now we're going to push the button on here to make sure that it opens and closes the garage door. And it works. I guess we don't push that button with the thing. There's actually nothing in here to push. So it's just pushing this reset button. but you can see that it actually does operate, so we know that it is working. Knowing that it works, we can go ahead and continue with the installation by setting up the app for this thing now. Alright, so now we're just going to use some of this stuff to mount it. So you're going to detach, I guess, this wiring harness. So this is what the switch is going to be relying on. This is a magnet here. So there's another magnet inside here. So essentially, these two have to be pretty close like that together. And when it detaches away from each other, that's when it detects that your garage door is open, and then it closes when it's like together like this. So we're gonna find a spot and mount this on the garage door, and then that's basically it. We hook this up, clean up the wiring a little bit, and it should be set up as long as you have your app already set up. So we're gonna go and find a spot first, and then we'll continue with the install. All right, so I've decided to mount it around this area here. You can see I already placed the bracket here. I haven't screwed it down yet. It just kind of sits there. So I'm gonna stick the magnet onto the door, and the wired side will go onto this bracket here. The gap between this and the other magnet needs to be about 3 millimeters to 15 millimeters. So I'll space it out until that's about the tolerance there. And then I guess that should be good. So let's go ahead and finish this install, clean all the surfaces so that this could stick with some double-sided tape, and then we are good to go. All right guys, so it's all hooked up now. As you can see, the sensor, I spaced it out that much. It clears this wire as well, and it runs all the way along here and up into the garage door opener right there, which I've mounted. I mean, there's no nice way of mounting this. It is a black wire, but that's as good as it gets, I think. That's pretty decent, I would say. Everything works. I tried the app already, and it's all good. All right, so the app is installed now, and the garage door is all set up. So as you can see, now it's telling us that it's closed. All you do is hit this button, and as you can see, the garage door is opening. And then now to close the door. Just like that. We've got ourselves a smart garage door now. And you can do this anywhere as long as you have internet access and this app installed. There you go, garage door is closed. There you go guys, we've added smart technology to my garage door opener, and it was such an easy, simple installation. So this cost me $30, so $30, and you could add smart technology to your own garage door opener as well. I hope this video helps you guys out. If you haven't already, please comment, like, and subscribe, and share my videos. As always guys, I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.